Sing 1, 2, 3.
I'm not ready. Hold on.
Are you ready?
I'm nearly ready.
I'm not ready.
Okay, we're ready. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, let's do it.
There's a fire starting in my soul.
You missed it. Oh, fucking missed it again.
Leave a pitch and his king.
See how I weep with every open.
Take 3.
Everything of you. Everything of you. Don't underestimate. Oh, fuck's sake.
Oh, no.
5th attempt. What?
Don't envy me. I see I don't know the fucking words.
Take number 7. It's getting a bit hot in here.
Will this work?
Love remind me, breathless I can't fucking do it.
Okay, just doing my nut now.
They don't do anything like that, do they?
I keep fucking up.
The stars and I can't see anything I've written down. It's got no glasses on.
Disguise if your love leave me breathless or something. Remind me of us, though. Just
The stars of your love, they.
Your love relieved me. Oh, fucking bollocks. Got it wrong again.
Okay, I'm getting the underwater theme a little bit now. There's the ship bear.
That was one massive outtake.
You can put it in the bloomers or whatever. Bloomers.
okay.
I have no
But I've got one on you.
It's always a take 8.
Make a home down there is my one, blah, 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 blah.
I can't remember the words to this tune.
Can't help feeling. Oh, I fucked it up, sorry.
Take 10, I think. 10 or 11.
Take 5,064.
Excuse me.
Fall down my soul into treasure gold.
This is a difficult one for sopranos because normally we're just like la la la, wahaha, woohoo, in amongst like all the other like lyrics.
Pay me back in time. Blah, so.
You're gonna wish you never had met me. Tears are gonna fall in the deep.
Tears are gonna fall.
Rolling in the deep. I got the words wrong.
It's never going to be right because you can't play in time.
One more time.
Messed it up again.
Back to the beginning.
Bloody lyrics, Adele. Like, how many words can you cram into one verse? One freaking line. Oh my God.
Okay, this spectacle here, she doesn't really know how to play.
Is it still recording?
Yeah, on 1 and 3.
Oh. Wrong bit.
I'm not even trying to get her to do the offbeat because, you know, that would be too hard.
You're gonna wish you never. You end up, should have stayed down.
Honestly, mothers.
Played it to the beat. No! I was so cool.
You play to the beat. Oh.
Played it to the beat. To the.
Oh, in the wrong place.
Played it to the